Hey guys, it's Miriam and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is super exciting. If you didn't know, I'm in Chicago right now visiting my grandparents for a few days. Today I'm going to be taking the train to downtown Chicago and vlogging it, of course. Every time we visit, we always try to take the train to downtown Chicago, and it's always the best time, always one of the highlights of our trip. Right now it's about 8:35 in the morning. I just got finished eating breakfast. The train leaves at 10:30, which means we're trying to be out of here by about 9:30. Yeah, right now let's do a little light stretching and then just shower and get ready and everything. So we're currently at the Water Tower, which is like this mall in downtown Chicago. This is the first time we got to sit down since we got here, so I'm really happy. My feet are literally so sore. But basically we walked an hour from the train station to the Starbucks Roastery Reserve, I believe is what it's called, which is the largest Starbucks in the world. And I didn't even get to go inside because the line was so long. It was literally all the way around the block. So yeah, I'm kind of sad about that. Didn't even get my coffee, but we might try again if the line is a little bit less long before we leave. But honestly, I'm not sure because that line, if I had waited in that line, it would have taken me like at least an hour and a half to 2 hours to get into the place. Yeah, anyway, I guess I'll just keep updating y'all. So I just got home. It's about 6 p.m. right now. We had a lot of fun in downtown Chicago. We walked up and down Michigan Avenue, went to the Starbucks Roastery Reserve, even though we didn't get to go inside because the line was too long. We went to the Water Tower, went out to eat, went to some stores, went to Victoria's Secret, got a few, things. Yeah, it was a lot of fun, but I think I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog out here because I'm really tired. But thank you guys so much for watching this Chicago vlog. I hope that you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to click like and subscribe. And check out... Also, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. We actually just hit it earlier today. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see where this takes us from here and just to grow even more. Let me know down below what you did this weekend and how your week was. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye!